put some high value food, so something really yummy, straight into your puppy's mouth. It doesn't matter what they're doing. You get that food as soon as that Hoover goes on. Feed, 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 feed. We want the puppy to learn that the sound of a Hoover, a weird sound, a weird occurrence means good things happen. Effectively, the puppy, when I hear the Hoover makes good things appear in my mouth. Does that make sense? So we're always going to start with the easiest for the dog, and that's going to be me outside the door. So as soon as you hear that Hoover, food, 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 food. When it goes off, food away. When it goes on, food, 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 food away when it goes off. Okay? So we'll make sure that we have lots of really yummy food. And I'm going to go pretend to Hoover.
So have lots of food ready to go in your hand now.
So this is a kind of an industrial Hoover, so the listen might be a little bit more loud than your home Hoover. Okay, we ready with lots of food? Okay, as soon as you hear it now.
So again, feeding now straight away. Just keep feeding. Whole time you can hear the Hoover and stop. And again, feeding, feeding. Each time and stop. And feeding. It's really good with Lola now, keep going.
So how are our puppies doing with that? They're doing okay? Is any puppy trying to move further away?
Yeah, he's
no
trying to
puppy.
go
He wants to investigate, okay, so he notices it. Are they all acting as if they notice it?
Yeah.
The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the Hoover in, but I'm not going to turn it on. I'm just going to let all the puppies come and smell it. Okay, they can see what it is. Okay? Bring the Hoover here. Now. Okay, got your legs there. And what you can do is just loose lead, let your puppy over, let your puppy investigate it if they want to. So just bring your puppy down, let them sniff at the food. Or ready to go? Yeah. Okay, so get your food treats ready. And I'm going to turn the Hoover on. Once you're ready with your food, yeah? Okay. Food, I'm really good with this there because he's really interested. And we stop your food. Now, so we won't use our lead to pull our puppies around, remember now. Okay? So just feed him, feed tight, spread away, no matter what he's doing, just feed him. Now, I want you to really feed Lola there a lot because she's a little bit concerned. Okay, food away, food gone. So we just, you have more there, yeah? Yeah. Okay, so get ready now. So feed your puppy, feed tight, really quickly, straight into his mouth. Straight into his mouth. Definitely won't use his lead now, just straight into his mouth, it doesn't matter what he's doing. That's it, exactly. You can drop it in front of his face if you need to. Okay, I'm going to bring the Hoover a little bit closer into the middle of the room. Okay. Now we're ready to go again?
I think there's a bit of wee here.
That's okay. He can skip it if he wants to. There's no problem with that. That's normal for dogs. So you're just going to drop food right at his nose if you need to. He's found something on the way, doing something. Now we're ready to go again? Really good now, Lola. The food stops. Get extra down out of it. Really good story. Perfect down out of height. That's exactly what we want to do. Now I'm going to bring it a little bit closer to the middle of the room. I want Lola really closely there, okay? She's a little bit worried. Do you have a lot of food down there for her? Yeah. face, that tells you that she's a little bit worried. Move her a little bit further away. Always give them space if they tell you that they're having a hard time. That's it. And let's see if she's more comfortable with a little bit further than this. Nice face.
Oh.
Going to feed her. Good. That's really good now. Excellent. Let it wind in. Excellent her. There's a big change there. Instead of looking to Hoover, she looks to your hand. She's like, I'll reach on, feed me now. And that's what we want. The other puppies to have that. She's a little bit more worried. Straight back to your hand. That's exactly what we want. Perfect. Really good, guys. And we're going to do one more. Okay, yeah. There we go, good. Yeah, good with her. Excellent. Now, feet straight away, doesn't matter what they're doing, even if they're not looking at your feet straight away. If we have, like, that's exactly what one puppy that's just like, whatever. Yeah. Oh, there's a Hoover, I don't care, whatever. We wrap it there. Don't ever say hello. Our feet now.